Okay guys, here we go. This is just printing the alignment file. Whether you can see what it says on the screen at present, it just says printing. And it's now just printing the alignment file. I just chose to do this because of course it prints the white first and then the colour. And so you can see what this printer does after it's printed the white. So it still says printing on the screen. Must admit the printer did a little bit of a jog at the beginning then, which I haven't really seen before. That seems to be quite new. I don't think it did that last night when I first had this problem. Lovely white, whether you can see that. But my feeder just now, I've dropped it from minus 1.175. It's always been around about that, sometimes up to minus 1.250 maybe. But I've had to drop it all the way back now to get it aligned to minus 0.25, and I could probably take another 0.25 off that as well. It's just strange that I've had to make those adjustments, you know. Anyway, as you can see, it's still doing the printing, and if you watch what happens in just a moment, and whether you can see the screen, just going to come to the end very shortly of printing this alignment file. Still says printing on the display, and print mode printing on the base. Just bear with this guys, it won't take too long I hope. There we go. Still says printing, it's gone back now as you can see. Now it says ready, now it says printing, then it says set paper lever, and off it goes to the back end of the machine. And now if you look at the display, it says set paper lever. Whether you can actually see that, but it will just sit there now. It's saying on the base print mode end, so I have to put the standby button, bring it back to the front. It still says set paper lever on the LCD, and now it says pause, press pause, and it will just sit there until I press the pause button, and at that point it goes through the actions as if it's just going to start a new print. So here we go, it's just doing this little preparation, and then it will start printing the colour layer on top of the whites. Now it says printing on the screen, and on the base it says print mode ready. Still says print mode ready, and now it's saying printing, and printing on the LCD on the printer. So it will finish this, and it will just trot off to the end of the machine and sit there until I bring it back. So it's rather peculiar. Anyway, I won't bore you with the rest of this. Oh, now I think the alignment is way out. Let me just see. Yeah, it's way out. So something has gone rather peculiar there. What I did before this print, I put the printer at the far end of the Neoflex bed. I disconnected the power. I've moved the carriage over to the right hand side. Then I switched on, and brought the printer back here, and then the print head travelled back. Anyway, the door's just gone, so excuse me, I've got to go.